There were many rejections and many who did not believe. I almost gave up. But God reminds me in His Word in Matthew 19 verse 26. With man, this is impossible. But with God, all things are possible. Ako ay isang OFW ng almost isang dekada. Sinubok ng panahon, subalit pinagtibay ng pagkakataon. Binigyan ng oportunidad ang buhay ko ng I Am Worldwide. May mga hindi naniniwala at pinagtatawanan nila ang proseso ko. Totoo, in the beginning it was not easy, but I strengthened my faith. I focused to the Lord and all the people who trusted and supported me. I believe there's no shortcut to success. In the process of achieving my goal, there's a lot of trials and circumstances. But I don't forget that God promised me that I can do all things through Him who strengthened me. I am the driver of my life. I am the life of my dreams. I am not lucky. I am blessed. Everything I have is because of God's grace and favor. I am Madonna Lorenzo Andres, the founder of Team SWAT Worldwide, a proud agent of hope, and I am worldwide.